In this video, we're talking about what to do when you find a water intake pipe leaking near your foundation right after buying a home, and how to handle the stress while sorting it out. So, here's the deal. You noticed the pipe was rusted but wasn't leaking at first, then suddenly it started dripping a few drops per second, which is enough to freak anyone out. Like me, I wouldn't be able to sleep either. First thing, calling the utility company to shut off the main water supply is smart, especially since the leak is about 10 feet before your house's main shutoff valve, meaning it's likely on their side. But heads up, most utilities only take responsibility up to the meter, which is usually at the street, so beyond that, repairs fall on you. Having an emergency plumber on speed dial is clutch, and when they come out, they'll assess if they need to replace the line all the way to the street. Roughly 40 feet deep in copper pipe could cost a few $1,000 depending on where you live and how tricky the dig is. While waiting, locate that shutoff valve near your meter if you can access it. That gives you some control and peace of mind if things get worse overnight. Also, think about installing an external shutoff valve on your property for future issues, way easier than panicking every time something leaks. Remember, don't mess with the service cover or try to shut off the water before the meter yourself unless you're 100% sure it's allowed. Some places consider that illegal, and you could get fined or cause more damage. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with water intake pipe leaks near their foundation is ignoring early signs like rust or slight moisture because it seems minor at first. That drip can quickly turn into a burst pipe and flood your basement if left unchecked. Another common issue is not knowing where your water meter or shutoff valves are, so when emergencies hit, they waste precious time trying to figure it out instead of stopping the flow. Lastly, many people expect their utility company to cover repairs past the meter, which usually isn't the case. So it's crucial to clarify responsibilities up front to avoid surprise bills. A quick fix here is regularly inspecting exposed pipes for rust or damage and scheduling plumbing inspections before buying a home, or at least within the first month. Also, locate and label your shutoff valves so you can act fast during leaks. When you call a plumber, ask for a clear estimate based on pipe length, depth, and material. Copper usually lasts longer, but can still fail over time. Lastly, don't hesitate to ask your plumber about installing extra safety shutoffs to protect your home in the future. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who specialize in plumbing and other home repairs, making it easier to find reliable professionals when stuff like water intake pipe leaks happen. They also help contractors find steady work by matching them with homeowners in need, so everyone wins when a problem pops up.